A kitchen sink disposal may stop working due to several reasons. One common issue is an electrical problem. If the disposal doesn't turn on when the switch is flipped, it's likely an electrical issue. Checking if the disposal is plugged in correctly can often resolve the problem. If it's plugged in incorrectly, the disposal's underside reset button may have popped out, and pressing it can fix the issue. Another possible reason for a non-working disposal is a jammed flywheel, which can occur when objects like bones or utensils accidentally fall into the sink. To fix this, it's essential to switch off the power to the disposal first. Then use the provided wrench to turn the flywheel clockwise and dislodge the jammed objects through the wrench hole at the bottom of the disposal. Alternatively, a wooden stick can be inserted through the top opening to dislodge the flywheel. Overheating is also a common cause of disposal malfunction, often resulting from constant use. In this case, shutting off the disposal and allowing it to cool down for a few minutes can resolve the issue. By addressing these potential problems, the kitchen sink disposal can be restored to working order.